Hello friends, today's topic, see the target prices of these 15 stocks in 2024. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is the financial education of society. As I said earlier, nowadays we are making more and more videos based on the brokerage companies and the advisory services because SEBI's circular very clearly says that we cannot advise anybody to buy these stocks or that stocks based on our observations but on the advisories only. Investors and analysts have high expectations from stock market in the year 2024. However, due to very high valuation of many stocks, the upside could be limited in some stocks, whereas some stocks which have underperformed could do better and have lesser chance of falling when there is any short-term correction in overall markets. Economic Times newspaper has compiled a list of 15 stocks which have been suggested by 5 brokerage companies. As per analysis of these brokerage companies, these large, mid and small cap stocks have the potential to outperform the market in 2024. This means that analysts are expecting these stocks to provide better returns than the Nifty 50 index. Now, recommendations of ICICI Securities. NMDC current price 230, target price 250 and 17% up. Grindwell Norton current price 2355, target price 2700, 15% up. Greenfly Industries current price 239, target price 295, percentage of change 23%. Recommendations of Kotak Securities. Infosys 1548 versus 1870 and it may go up by 21%. Signature Global current price 912, target price 910, target is already achieved. Samhi Hotels current price 171, target price 230 and it can go up by 35%. That is what the Kotak Securities says. Now coming to recommendations of Motilal Oswal. SBI 644 to 800, it may go up by 24%. Dalmia Bharat current price 2352, target price 2800, it may go up by 19%. C and DLM current price 674, target price 870, in another 1 year, percentage of change 29%. Now recommendations of IIFL Securities. ITC current price 468, target price 490, it may go up by 5%. Deepak Fertilizers 687 to 780 plus 14%. Updater Services 335 to 418, 25% up. Now coming to the last advisory, recommendations of Religare Broking. Kotak Mahindra Bank 1915 to 2180, 14% up. Eicher Motors 4049 to 4800, 19% up. Emphasis current price 2752, target price 3350, 22% upside expected. In the list, there are 5 large, 5 mid cap, 5 small cap stocks. Even if you are not keen to add them to your long-term portfolio, you can benefit from their expected appreciation using technical analysis and making profit in the short term. So it will be interesting to track such stocks. End of the video, here is the question. Which business group has a joint venture agreement with Chinese-owned MG Motors? 4 choices in front of you. Birla Group, Adani Group, Bajaj Group, JSW Group. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.